talk about the actual test. Unit test topics, I'll get to that in a second. Review answers, real quickly. This is review answers to your packet and textbook. All right, review answers to your packet and textbook. If you guys have your packet on you right now, please go to page 34 for me. Page 34. Everyone see at the top of page 34. This isn't anything new, I know, but I just want to make sure we're good. Everyone see the textbook questions I'm suggesting. Those answers are right here, unit test review answers. And then you guys see 4 proofs. Those answers are right here too, where it says unit test review answers. While you're in your packet right now, you can cross off numbers 3 and 4. You're certainly more than welcome to try them out, but I can tell you we're not going to have those type of proofs on the test. Okay, like numbers 3 and 4. But all those answers right there, proofs 1 and 2, and the textbook questions, all right here. Okay, answers are all right here. Then I put a third file on here. Everyone see it says extra unit test review questions. That's literally a whole packet worth of extra questions for you guys to try. It's actually two of the same packets. The first one is, the first half is all, take a look, the first half is all the questions. And then as you keep getting deeper, I start repeating those questions, but now with my answer key. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, so there's an extra review right there. Okay, with proofs, as you guys can see here. So if you want more proofs other than the 2 I have available on your packet, this is where you go, that extra review. All right there for you. All righty? All good? All right, let's open up the topics now. Open up the unit test topic so I can get specific about what we should know coming into tomorrow's first grade of the second quarter. All right, 40 points total. Here's the thing. Half of those points, 20 points, half of the test is in 3 proofs that I'm going to give you. 3 proofs. 2 proofs for 6 points, and then 1 big dog proof at the end for 8 points. All right, so half the test. I think that's fair because the second half of this unit was really about proofs. All right, all our methods and doing all the different kinds of proofs. So half the test tomorrow will be covered with 3 proofs. Triangle, isosceles triangle facts. What am I talking about there? Here you go real quick. If AC and BC are congruent, what can you conclude? If AC and BC are congruent, what can I conclude up here? Scott, let's go. Angle A and angle B are congruent, correct. All right, it is not just the bottom 2, right? Just because I hear on its triangles isosceles, I better read the problem carefully and know where are the congruent sides. All right, I just don't assume because I tell you it's isosceles that it's the right and the left side. I read the problem carefully, and I will tell you what sides are equal. So you can tell me B and A versus A and C are equal. All right. Triangle exterior angle. This is something that was on the quiz, but will be, again, quizzed on tomorrow. Real quickly. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. What's the exterior angle theorem say? You tell me. What's angle 1 equal to? Angle 1, the exterior angle is equal to? Okay, 3 and 4. What do I want vocab 2 here. What are 3 and 4 called? Usually change the TV with it. Remote interior angles. An exterior angle, number 1, is equal to the sum of the 2 remote interior angles. Yes, yes. All right. That'll be quizzed. And then finally, I can't go over this enough. All right, I would just put myself on repeat with this here. 5, not 6, not 7, just 5. What are they? Side, angle, side. What happens if the angle's not in between? It's not possible. We're not writing side-side angle. Second method, all three sides congruent. Third method, angle, side angle. What happens if the side's not in between? That's okay because we have, yeah. And we said 5. Okay, don't forget about it. Definitely don't forget about it tomorrow. Can we talk real quick about HL? What if I'm doing a proof and I recognize the triangles are congruent by HL? What needs to be in my proof? I know it's been a while. That's why we're reviewing. I need to state they are right triangles. All right, so I need a statement in my proof saying these two triangles are right triangles because right triangles have right angles. And while we're on this topic, let's actually go over what makes HL, right? What makes HL? Here you go. And for some reason, ready? Maybe I give it to you. Maybe it's perpendicular lines. You figure out these bad boys are right angles. All good? And maybe I give it to you that EF is congruent to AB. All good so far with me? Everyone with me so far? Good. And also I'll give you AD is congruent to FC. I'll give that to you. Prove to me why these two triangles are congruent. All right, so let's real quickly here, let's just I'm going to do a makeshift proof here. Statements, reasons. I got all my givens in there. Let's just say you had to say angle. I'm just plopping this in. EDF and angle ACB are right angles. Perpendicular lines form right angles. Let's say I gave you they were perpendicular. All right. And also remember I gave you that AD and FC are equal. AD and FC. So right now, I got the right angles and I got a pair of sides. How can you use this given here, AD equals FC, to get anything else? If AD and FC are equal, how can I use that? Because hey, ready? Is that a full side? Are those full sides in these two triangles? No, so you can't count them as an S. But you can use them to get an S. Romeo, how?
DC reflexive.
Stop right there. DC, reflexive. Because I want to hear from some other people here. Yes, DC, congruent to DC. DC a full side? No, can't put an S next to it. Got to keep moving. How can I use DC though? Via.
You can subtract.
Thank you.
Okay.
I like you're learning.
You can subtract FC from DC.
I said you were learning and you just kept talking. You're good. All you needed to say was subtraction. You're good.
Okay.
Got it? Thank you. FC minus DC equals AD minus DC. Everyone all right? Subtraction. I'm doing this fast. Need a little more detail here. And then I could say FD congruent to CA. Everyone good? Substitution. I'm just going to leave that step should go in there. All right. Is this side angle side? No. Is that right angle in between? Absolutely not. That's not side angle side. And we're definitely not writing down this. Get out of here. Right? Get out of here. Side angle. Absolutely not. But don't start. But we have what? What's the side across from the right angles called? Hypotenuse. And then we just proved FD and CA, which are mine. Everyone see H right here, hypotenuse, L, leg right here. That's HL right there. But if I just told you the two triangles are congruent right now by HL, I'd be wrong. What do I still need to put in my proof? We talked about it 2 minutes ago. Addie? You have to tell me triangle EDF and triangle ACB are right triangles. Reason? Right triangles have right angles, and then you could say HL. All right, then I could say HL. All right, everyone good on an HL proof? What HL looks like? It's not side angle side. All right, it is not side angle side. All right, I'm good there. Please remember these 5. I'm not adding in a 6th, a 7th, none. It's just those 5, and that is it. Anything you want to talk about further? Are we sure? Okay, so here's our options right now. Proofs, 2 proofs in the packet. Textbook questions. The extra review, which is pretty darn good, I might say. All right, on Classroom, the extra review. All right, that's up to you. The more practice for the unit test. All right, that's up to you. I'm going to come around, help you guys out. This is a grind session. First grade, second quarter. Started off 1-0. All right, start off the second quarter 1-0. Let's go. Get going. That's fine if you want to move around, but it better be on the grind here. Getting ready for tomorrow.